Hi there, welcome back to another lesson of a better pronunciation. In this tutorial, I'm going to showcase for you the pronunciation of these words: polygamy, polyglot, pamphlet, pajamas, and the last word is polythene. I repeat: polygamy, polyglot, pamphlet, pajamas, polythene. The first word is polygamy. Polygamy. It's a 4-syllable noun. We should put the stress on the second syllable. Number 2, li, with short e. We say polygamy. Polygamy. We have two schwa sounds here in this word. Therefore, we should pronounce them very quickly and rapidly. Polygamy. Polygamy. What's a polygamy? That's a kind of custom of having several wives. This is the meaning of polygamy. We say polygamy. The second word is also a noun. This word is pronounced like this: polyglot, not p, po, with short o. We say polyglot. Polyglot is a 3-syllable noun. It can be also an adjective, and a polyglot, it means a person who speaks several languages. That's good to be a polyglot. A person who speaks many languages is called polyglot. Po, the first syllable, that's the stressed syllable. We say polyglot. We don't say polyglot or polyglot. We put the stress on the first part of the word, the first vowel sound po. Polyglot. Polygamy, stressed syllable the second syllable. Polyglot, stressed syllable the first syllable. Polygamy, polyglot. The third word is pamphlet. Pamphlet, it's a disyllabic noun. The first syllable, pamph, that's the stressed syllable. We say pamphlet. Pamphlet. And what's a pamphlet? It means a small book, which with only a few pages. It's called a pamphlet. I repeat, pamphlet. The fourth word is pajamas. Pajamas. This word has got 3 syllables. The second syllable, ja, that's the stressed syllable. A pajama. The plural is pajamas. And pajamas, it means a kind of shirt, light shirt, and trousers, which are worn in bed. That kind of clothing is called pajamas. It comes from the French language, and in French language we say pyjama. In English we say pajamas. I repeat, pajamas. Stress on the second syllable, ja. The last word of today's video is polythene. We go back to the sound po. Polythene. Polythene. It's a 3-syllable noun. And a polythene is a kind of plastic. Here in this word, as I said, it contains 3 syllables. Polythene. The first syllable, po, that's a stressed syllable. We say polythene. A polythene. Now let's practice. Polygamy, polyglot, pamphlet, pajamas, polythene. Polythene, pajamas, pamphlet, polyglot, polygamy. Polygamy, polyglot, pamphlet, pajamas, polythene. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.